We've got another exciting one here today. We have the Jeep CJ7 back in the garage for another install. It's going to be metal, it's going to have some screws, and it's from Samix. Please hit that like and subscribe button and come join me. I will see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me today and welcome to Henry's RC Garage. We are going to be installing some metal shock towers today from Samix. And we've got the front one for the driver's side that comes with a panhard metal. These are some pretty good quality parts. Here is the passenger side shock tower that we're going to install. And we also have the rear ones that are going to be installed as well. Do we really need to install metal shock towers on this CJ7? No, but since we have them, we're going to do it anyway. So let's get the rock and rolling and get our shock towers on. All right, so first we've got to take the body off, and then we'll have to take the tires off, and then we'll have to unscrew the shocks from those plastic towers. So we're gonna undo our truck here and get the body off. All right, so now we took this plastic one off, so we will put this one on. There you have it. So let me put this fender, this wheel well back on. All right, so we got that on. So we're gonna put the other ones on. And I'm gonna turn it around and work on the passenger side next. Okay, so we've got the shock towers on, front and rear now. And then, yeah, so we got the Samix stuff in. It was a pretty simple install. I mean, it's just a bunch of, just like maybe what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, and then 8. So, I mean, it's talking about maybe 20, 25 screws to put this in, to put the aluminum shock towers on. So everything is installed now. So, looks pretty good. We'll put the cover on. Get these fenders situated. There we go. That's pretty much the job today. We got these plastic shock towers that we took off. We got the metal panhard bar. This is a pretty light stock panhard bar. I don't know, pretty light aluminum. So anyway, that's pretty much all for today. Thank you for watching. It's much appreciated. Support your local hobby shop if you can. They do have online presences now. You could probably call them up or order through them online, and they will ship it to you if you can't get into a local hobby shop. And again, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.